Harissa baked salmon fillets, and I'm going to show you how I make them right now. We need some lovely salmon fillets, and you want to pop those into a baking tray or any kind of oven-proof dish. Then we need some smoked harissa paste. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of your smoked harissa paste. Massage the harissa paste into the salmon, skin sides and all. Do this with all of your salmon and really take a minute to massage it in there. And then leave them to marinate in the harissa paste for a good couple of hours or even overnight. And if you want them really spicy and smoky, add another teaspoon or so before they go in the oven and just smother the top with it. Then we need to preheat an oven to 180 degrees and you want to chuck in your salmon. They're going to take about 8 to 10 minutes, give or take. While they're baking, we want to take a nice baby leaf salad, pop your salad into a bowl, add a dash of extra virgin olive oil, and then we need a lemon. Take a nice slice of your lemon and give it a squeeze into your baby leaf salad. Add a pinch of sea salt and black pepper, and then gently dress and toss the salad with your hands. And very quickly guys, if you could just hit that subscribe button below and give the video a like if you're enjoying it. So after about 8 to 10 minutes, we want to remove our salmon from the oven. Once your salmon is out, we want to add a nice handful of our baby leaf salad and then gently lay over your salmon fillets. And if you want the full recipe for this one, sign up to my weekly newsletter using the link in the description below. See you next time.